Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make this party clutch. Let's get started. I am going to use this yarn by Loops and Thread, number 6. I use 6.5 millimeter needle. Also, check my description box for other optional items like a chain, jumping ring, stuff like that. Okay? Let's make a cast. I made 24 casts, but it's really up to you. If you want to have the longer clutch, you can add a few more. I actually started with 30, but it was too big for me, so I reduced some stitch. I started with 24 cast. Okay, and this type of yarn, it's kind of slippery, so take your time. After the cast on, right side, wrong side, it doesn't really matter. You can't really see which is right side or wrong side. So use the knit technique. Either side, just knit. And again, it's kind of hard to see, every single stitch. So you kind of have to, you know, uh, find the right stitch. Okay, just take your time. And keep knitting until your desired length. I knitted it about the 13 inch. Again, if you want to make the bigger clutch, you can actually knit longer. Okay? Again, you know, can you see I'm kind of looking for the right stitch using the left hand, just like that. Don't drop the stitch. There we go. I finished. I cast off 13-inch long and 8.5 wide. There you go. Then you have to prepare one piece of the fabric. I used the fake leather vinyl fabric and cut the inner fabric a bit smaller than actual size. Mine is 12 inch by 7.5 inch. And I just want to make sure, everything fits really well. And I decide I'm going to put little pocket. Okay. So I fold inward twice like that. Then kind of, measure the size. 1/3 of that, the fabric. There you go, like that. And I decide I'm gonna make the 5 by 3 inch pocket, and I attached it like that. There you go. This is completely optional, so if you don't want to do it, don't do it. And let's put the magnet. Okay, first of all, find the center line, and 1 inch from the top, mark it. Okay, just like that. Using the marker, and there's a 2 hole, and you just marked it on the fabric. Okay, and that thing goes at the back, and the magnet part is coming outside, and that line, you have to kind of cut a little bit, just a little bit, and you push the magnet, in, as you can see actually. Put that in. There we go. It's in. Then put the lid on. Then that's about it. It's easy. Okay? Now you want to put them two together. Okay? I'm just making sure where the other magnet comes. And I'm just making sure everything is, all good. And probably a lot of people think I'm gonna sew them together. And I tried, but it didn't go well. So I used glue. I used the hot glue gun, but it doesn't really matter. Any type of the glue is okay. And do not put the bottom part yet. Okay? And I put the glue all over, except the bottom part, but you should do little by little. That works really well because I wasn't fast enough. So the glue gets cold and didn't attach, right? So I should do little by little. Again, do not put the bottom part yet. Okay? Can you see? I'm not really fast enough. So glue gets cold. Again, if you really want to sew them together, you can. But it didn't really go well. I didn't really like it. And using the glue, it actually went perfectly. Okay? So I put the fabric onto the project like that. Okay? Make sure the fabric is not gonna go outside. Okay? Again, leave the bottom part open. Now I have to sew both sides. Put right side together, the bottom part, not the lid part. Okay? And if alignment is all good, you just start sewing them together for both sides. Okay? Just take your time. After you sew both sides, turn the work inside out. There we go. Push the corner out and make sure where you want to put the magnet. And this time easy. Put it in between the fabric and the yarn. There you go. Make sure about it. Once you decide where you want to put the other magnet, you just go ahead. And the way you do is same as before. Okay? There you go. That's easy. And pretty much it. There you go. This is done. Then you close that opening. You can use this clutch as is, but I actually add, chain. Again, using the hot glue gun, you have to be very careful because it's very hot. Okay? Maybe you need to, use the towel to, press it, or, try not to burn yourself. There you go. It's done. There's a little pocket inside, and it's perfect. I put my old cell phone in, which is the iPhone 6, the big one. Easily fits. And you can put some money, lipstick, stuff like that. The credit card, the perfect party clutch. And I bought yarn on sale and everything, so it cost me about $10 Canadian, which was very reasonable. And I decide to put the chain. I put the jumping ring for both sides, then put the chain. And I add 2 shiny charms as well. Okay, so that's about it. Enjoy!